I'm absolutely in love with this crochet hair Cassie braid, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve it, continue watching. The hair I use for this install is from EayonHair. I used 5 packs of their body wave hair to achieve this style. So what I did was put up my hair, but the side of my hair, I'm just showing you guys the braid down that I used. I just cornered one side of my hair, and then the other side I just had braid. The crochet hair comes with a thread that connects both sides, so what I'm going to do is push my crochet needle through, hook the thread on the crochet needle, close the crochet needle, and then I'll pull one side of the hair through my braid. For the ends, all I did was grab my natural hair and twisted it around itself along with the crochet hair. Once that's done, your result should look something like this. Along the length of my hair, I repeated the same steps. I pushed the crochet needle through, opened the needle, put the thread in the needle, close the needle, and I pull one side through my hair, and then I twisted that around itself. I repeated the same thing throughout the entirety of my hair, so let's continue watching to see the final result.
You do the shit that you put on the next bitch. Bet against me, fuck up your parlay. These niggas know I'm the biggest investment. Ay, I'm at the top of my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with a thing. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't mad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we snake. Everything bigger in Texas, no injections. We at the pro, no elections. Bitch don't come around me trying to pass out drugs. Oh, I ain't popping no Teslas. I don't wanna take no pictures. I don't get along with these out here bitches. I don't even know this hoe. The bitch keep begging me for attention. This bullshit ain't nothing new to me. I knew he was for the community. These hoes love to stick around and get their heart broke. I'ma bounce on a nigga like
something against me. Poppin' that XYZ. Cars outside on fleek. Little one shit like free. Show little some get cheese. Everybody just got low. Heard it's all I peace. Try to octane in the styrofoam. Keep the number at it's a two-tone. Look talking G6, she wanna eat shit. She driving V6, I'm out in Venus. Baby sexy, she wanna. Out in Tijuana, I'm a girl. Walk out, I'm in the stand. Right on the back in the corner, stand. 200,000 is on my head. I still get money when I'm on it, man. Shawty keep dropping it, shawty keep popping it, Southside shopping it. I got the plug, I'm making deposits, since you doing opposite. Keep on dropping it, shawty keep popping it, shawty keep weaker. Try to obtain in the styrofoam. Keep the number at it's a two-tone. No talking G6, she wanna eat shit. She driving V6, I'm out in Venus. Baby sexy, she wanna. Out in Tijuana, I'm a girl. Walk out, I'm in the stand. Right on the back in the corner, stand. 200,000 is on my head. I still get money when I'm on it, man. Shawty keep dropping it, shawty keep popping it, Southside shopping it. I got the plug, I'm making deposits, since you doing opposite.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag 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 it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. I made love to a stripper, first I had to tip her, 20,000 once. She said I'm that nigga. I said I'm that nigga, bitch. I already know it. I come with bad weather. They say I'm a storm. 50 S's in my charm. That's a Rockefeller chain. I was sending bricks to Harlem back when Jay was still with Dave. I'm a Philippe child, but I gotta protect home. Got a stripper with me. She picked up the chick home. She gon' fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. She don't need makeup, makeup. She gon' rig it up, rig it up, rig it up. Tell the nigga pay up, pay up. She said pay for the pussy, pay for the pussy. Hey, wait for the pussy, wait for the pussy. Ask God to forgive me. Cause I pray for the pussy, pray for the pussy. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rig it up, rig it up, rig it up, bag 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 it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up.
simply what I said is. Once it out the bathroom, see you can smell the shit in Fayetteville. Black Jaguar, no Jacksonville, I don't even know what year it is. He didn't got his taco, now his ground beef on the skin wheel. Coaching now my niggas ballin', you can't peep what play it is. They so full of dope, they probably don't even know what that is. I rock the middleman, he probably don't even know who it is. Judging on my prize, I told Big Five, this ain't no fire drill. Ballin' like the Final Four, got more devils than Duke in them. Ain't no me mugging, no shoulder shrug to see him shoot at them. Niggas took down one my guy, so I want at least two of them. So a lot of niggas still play both sides, that's why coach you do it. They them 7-6-2 shoot at him, don't play with wild poo with him. 413, we ripped them murders, guy just asked to Google them. Don't talk to me about your arms unless you came from shooting at them. I'm clutching my bone stock in the drop top, we pumping who is him. Poppin' perk now, geeked up. Guess this how them nerds feel. Man, my nigga, a new chopper, let's work on your third kill. Before we pull our service to the block, see how far my serve is. 6K for a paint a walk if you want your serve with the seal. Show, keep that Draco in my lap screen, TTD, we tried to blow. The Cardi out here with the Cuban link, had to switch out the road. 500 shots up in it, bitch, if you play, we gon' do the most. Two baby chops hit in my coat, bitch, I'm having power like gold. AK with the machete, so gon' open up your belly button.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow.
Back.